Hey guys, today I will tell you how to quickly close your Robinhood investment account. Let's start the video.
Start from the main screen by tapping the person icon at the bottom right. If you land on your profile page, find the hamburger menu in the top right corner and tap it. This brings up your menu page with multiple options. Select settings from this menu, then choose account information from the next screen. You'll now see your personal details and account information. Scroll all the way to the bottom where you'll find deactivate your account. Tapping this shows prerequisites you must complete first. You need to sell all open positions and close all active trades. The app will indicate how many positions you currently have open. You must also cancel any active debit cards associated with your account. Your account balance must be brought to zero. This includes paying off any margin balances if you use Robinhood Gold. Only after meeting all these requirements will the close account button become active. Currently, it's grayed out since we still have open positions and a negative balance. I've created a detailed guide on properly selling stocks that I'll link below. If you're sure about closing your account, follow these steps carefully.
And that's it guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.